Samsung has confirmed that the Galaxy F06 5G will launch in India in February 12. The smartphone will be a budget-friendly 5G option priced under 10,000 rupees. Renders showing its 5 colors: orange, dark green, black, blue, and purple. As always with the Galaxy F series, this phone is expected to be a rebranded Galaxy A06, a device which launched back in August. The Galaxy F06 is expected to come with a 6.7-inch HD Plus LCD display and a teardrop notch for the front camera. It will likely run a MediaTek Dimensity 6300 SoC, offering smooth performance for everyday use. The camera setup is expected to include a 50MP primary sensor, a 2MP auxiliary sensor, and an 8MP front camera. The phone is expected to feature a 5000 mAh battery with 25W fast charging for longer use and quicker charging. The phone is expected to launch in late 2024 or early 2025 at a price of around 7,999 Indian rupees in India. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.